When it comes to playing Medica Scientific, our simulation allows for team or individual gameplay, which means that in order to play a simulation, you can either create a team as a team leader or join one as a team member. Let's look at what you need to do in order to create a team. As team leader, your professor should have provided you with a link to join the simulation. Follow that link and click yes if you have been assigned team leader or if you're playing individually. Click continue after reviewing these instructions. Create an account on our website or log in if you already have one. Give your team a name of your choosing. This link is specific to your team. Share it only with your team members if you're not playing alone. And you're good to go. Go ahead and download our mobile app. You can access it with the same username and password for your account on our website. If you're a team member, wait for your team leader to share the Teams link with you. Follow that link and create an account on our website or log in if you already have one. Confirm that you're joining the right team. And that's it. Go ahead and download our mobile app. You can access it with the same username and password for your account on our website. Enjoy managing your virtual company.